A day after TPLF soldiers had captured the city of Dessie, TPLF spokesman Getachew Reda tweeted stating that they were firmly in control of Kombolcha. Reports from the northern part of Ethiopia show that there was renewed fighting on Sunday. Security experts inside Ethiopia note that if confirmed, Kombolcha's capture Sunday and Dessie's capture Saturday would mark a major step in the rebels' offensive in a nearly year-long war after it retook most of Tigray from federal forces in June. Locals say that renewed gun battles were underway in the city of Dessie, with residents ordered to stay indoors by Ethiopian troops, who had returned to Dessie after reportedly retreating a day earlier. Much of northern Ethiopia is under a communications blackout and access for journalists is restricted, making battlefield claims difficult to verify independently. The Tigray region has faced nearly daily aerial bombardments for almost 2 weeks as the military steps up its use of air power in the war. According to a hospital official, 10 people died in the airstrike on Thursday, while the UN said 2 strikes on October 18 killed 3 children. Another person died in a separate attack this month. The government said the facilities bombed were military in nature and were aiding the TPLF. The bombings have drawn international censure and disrupted UN access to the region, where an estimated 400,000 people face famine-like conditions under the de facto aid blockade. The conflict erupted last November when Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed deployed troops in Tigray, with the operation spiraling into a prolonged war marked by massacres, mass rapes and humanitarian crisis. Abiy promised that the operation launched on November 4, 2020 would be swift and targeted. Instead, it has developed into a prolonged war marked by massacres, mass rapes and a looming threat of famine. After a few weeks of airstrikes and heavy fighting, federal forces took control of the regional capital Mekelle in late November, and Abiy declared victory. Yet in the months that followed, the TPLF mounted a successful counterinsurgency. In recent weeks, fighting has been concentrated in Amhara, south of Tigray.